Hello, my name is Sahil Malik and welcome to my course Developing Web Applications and Web APIs Protected by Azure Active Directory. If you're authoring web APIs or web applications that need to work with Azure AD, then this is the course for you. In this course, I first explain how you can author web applications that use Azure AD for authentication. I explain concepts such as WSFed, SAML, OpenID Connect, and in doing so, I make sure to touch on .NET Core, Node.js, and Python. Then I explain web APIs, how to author them, how to call them, how to secure them. I explain how permissions work, the concept of delegated versus application permissions, and the very important concept of scopes and consent. I show you how your applications can expose multiple scopes and how your applications can consume those scopes. I also show you how you can interact with Azure services using Azure RBAC using the user impersonation scope. Finally, I round up with some great coverage on behalf of flow and forwarding user identity. By the end of this course, you will have all the knowledge you need to author web applications and APIs that use Azure AD for authentication. I hope you find this course useful, and thank you very much for watching.